If you've ever dreamed of transforming your laptop setup into something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a triple screen, cockpit-style workstation that screams productivity and immersion, the Triple Aero 15.6 Pro Max looks like it might be the perfect solution. On paper, it sounds like a powerhouse. You're getting three 15.6-inch Full HD matte IPS displays, all equipped with HDR support, a brightness level of 350 nits, and anti-glare plus eye care tech designed to reduce eye strain during extended use. Whether you're a content creator, a multitasking entrepreneur, whether you're a content creator, or a gamer looking for more screen real estate, this setup claims to give you the flexibility to do more, see more, and work smarter. The design feels sleek and intentional, built with a durable aluminum frame, foldable for easy transport, and fitted with a built-in kickstand and adjustable hinges that let you set up your screen space on the go, whether you're at a cafe, an airport, or your home office. Compatibility-wise, it covers a broad range, from MacBooks M1 to M4 chips to Windows laptops between 11 and 18 inches, and even gaming consoles, which makes it accessible for a wide variety of users. But here's where things start to get murky. For all its promising features, there's one major issue that you can't overlook: the complete lack of verified third-party reviews. It's not listed on Trustpilot or any major tech platforms, and real user feedback is practically non-existent. That makes it difficult to know how well this device truly performs in everyday situations like color accuracy for creative professionals, power consumption, display latency for gamers, or even long-term build quality after months of use. And while the setup sounds convenient, we don't yet know how reliable or stable it is when attached to different laptops, or how much strain it puts on your device's battery and performance. So while it looks like the ultimate productivity booster on the surface, you're essentially buying into a promise without the proof to back it up.